Now exercise examples. And here see the instruction given to you in the starting of this one. You have to consider the value of g, that is 10 meter per second square, in all the examples. Now 5.1. Give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on A. A drop of rain falling down with a constant speed. Then a cork of mass 10 gram floating on water. A kite skillfully held stationary in the sky. A car moving with a constant velocity of 30 km per hour on a rough road. A high-speed electron in space far from all material objects and free and magnetic. Now see, drop of rain falling downward with constant speed. If speed is constant, then acceleration is zero, and force, that is mass into acceleration, so that is zero. B, a cork of mass 10 gram floating on water. When cork is floating, it implies that the net force is zero, because weight of the cork is balanced by the buoyant force by the water. So again here, net force is zero. C, a kite skillfully held stationary. When it is stationary, again acceleration is zero, so force is zero. Then car moving with constant velocity. When the velocity is constant, again the acceleration is zero, so force is zero. Then high-speed electron in a space far from all material objects and free of electric and magnetic field. If all the material objects are far away from the electron, it implies that there is no gravitational force. And if that particular space is free from electric and magnetic field, it implies that electric force and magnetic force, that will be also zero. So again we can say the net force is zero. Clear to all of you, beta?